Bro, can you move? No, no.
How's your riding? How's your riding? I got like that's cap, live. I don't have nothing to drink right now. You want me to stop mid game? We're gonna pause mid game right here and go get a drink, please.